If you hear your name whispered in the forest at night, don't answer. In many West African villages, hunters are warned about one spirit, a spirit that does not attack immediately. It waits. It watches. It whispers. They call it the forest lure. At night, when hunters walk alone, they hear a familiar voice. Sometimes it sounds like their mother, sometimes like their wife, sometimes like their best friend, calling their name softly. If they answer, the voice moves deeper into the forest, leading them away from safety, step by step, tree by tree, until they realize something terrifying. They are lost, completely alone, and the forest is silent. No birds, no wind, nothing. By morning, only their footprints remain, and they lead nowhere. Villagers say the spirit feeds on those who follow it, and once it calls your name, it already knows you. Subscribe for more African legends.